affiliate links to your TikTok videos. This is a great way to make some extra money by promoting products you love. Let's get started. First, let's quickly go over what affiliate links are. Affiliate links are unique URLs provided by companies that track the traffic you send to their website. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a fantastic way to monetize your TikTok account, especially if you already have a good number of followers. The first step is to join an affiliate program. Some popular ones include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for Amazon Associates. Go to Amazon Associates homepage. Now click on Sign Up and fill in the required details. Once you're approved, you can start generating affiliate links for Amazon products. Now find a product to promote and create an affiliate link. Search for the product on Amazon, and once you're on the product page, click on the Get Link button at the top of the page. You can choose between text links, image links, or text plus image links. For TikTok, a simple text link is usually the best option, so copy the generated affiliate link. Next, we need to add the affiliate link to your TikTok bio. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't allow clickable links in video captions, so the best place for them is in your bio. Now go to your TikTok profile, click Edit Profile, and paste your affiliate link in the website field. Make sure to let your followers know in your videos that the link in the product is in your bio. And that's it. You now know how to add affiliate links to your TikTok bio and promote them in your videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.